Hey guys, on here. I haven't posted in a while, and I was sick for a couple days. I was gonna post yesterday maybe, but I couldn't because I was sick. Okay, so okay, fail. Okay, so I have a Rubik's Cube here, and then over the days that I was sick, I learned how to do a Rubik's Cube. So I am going to be doing it. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and mix it up. Okay, it's probably almost mixed up. Just gonna separate everything a little more. Okay, a couple more mixes. Okay, as you can see, everything is completely mixed up. So I'm gonna start it. And then over there, there's the timer. So I'm just gonna look around for a little bit. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so got that. Okay, got bottom and that. Okay. And almost done, guys. 3, 2, 1, done. Got all the sides. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, my time is right there. And yeah, if you like the video, then make sure to like and subscribe. And bye-bye, Rubik's Cube.